Are you tired of outdated data collections? Enter an era where extracting information is effortless. Meet our website, content crawler, Instagram scraper, and Google Maps extractor. These tools ensure fast and accurate data for AI models and analytics. Crawl websites seamlessly with formatting and clean uploads. Extract Instagram content directly from URLs with ease. Scrape Google Maps and gather comprehensive place information instantly. Our unique zero-setup anti-blocking technology guarantees uninterrupted data collection. No need for extra expenses on proxies or services. Imagine the efficiency of scraping multiple platforms with ease. Tap into the wide range of data that fuels your business insights. Take action now! Visit Apify and transform your data extraction journey today.